Good morning, everybody. It's about 10 till 6 Eastern, July 25th. Don't think that's showing up on this screen capture. Just another video on trading to help those that maybe don't want to have to deal with the pattern day trader rule and want to trade futures where you don't have to deal with that. And today, or this morning, I have copper futures pulled up. Go over here and see at present, and I'm using TD Ameritrade. Required margin is 3,080 per contract. I know in some other brokerage accounts you don't have to have that, maybe like Investors, Interactive Brokers and our Ninja Trader. Switch back here to live view. So what I want to show is you can't see over to the left of this, but this is a 5-day 3-minute chart. Heiken Aishi candles, 5-day 34 or 5 and 34 period moving averages, and of course MACD. Then over here a 75 tick chart, which we can always make 144, or we can go 233, but the results are still fairly the same. What I want to show is I have been trying my best to find something more mechanical and less emotional, and this tends to seem to be testing out to be true. You don't have to worry about the red or green arrows. Those are from descriptive. But what I want to point out is the correlation between these two charts and the MACD at a low seems to find that when the MACD is at a low, like it is here, and you can see my cursor is synced, when the MACD is at a low, and when the particular future is either an uptrend or downtrend, which this is in an uptrend, it's curling back off the bottom on the daily, 60 minutes, trying to curl back up and go. Yesterday was a great example of a huge run. But when this curls up off the bottom, on whether you're using 75, 144, or 233 tick with Heiken Aishi, and I'm confirming it or validating with the 3-minute chart. So over here, you can see low, higher low, low, higher low, coming off this bottom, this MACD. Same thing over here. On the second candle on this chart, you could have taken a long, gotten a crossover here. So basically, call it 280.1 up to 281.2. It's 10, 15 ticks, 100 something bucks. And then it's set up again over here. Same thing. MACD going down. And this time frame over here just helps get you there quicker than this one. Because if you had waited to get in the second candle over here, you'd be in the third candle on the tick chart, or fourth possibly. So just another way to trade an instrument if you're looking for income each day. I still have some positions and options, but this is just something I've been working on, and I'm still studying it. I don't take every trade. I'm still studying it, trying to make it mechanical and not emotional. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. I'll post this to my YouTube page. You know what I'll do? Let's bring up something like oil real quick. So here's an example. It was really low over here. I've got that same bounce. You can see on the 3-minute you don't get as much move, but over here it was a 20 tick move. Same thing over here. That's a almost 20 tick move. So that's two 20 tick moves within 40 minutes. Even if you only got half of the move, it's 200 bucks in 20 minutes. It's not a bad way to make $1,000 a week, $50,000 a year. That's what I'm working on. This consistency, what we're all looking for, the Holy Grail. Bring up, let's bring up gold real quick. This one got to cross over here. Wow, I've got to back this out a little bit because it really ran. Anyway, same thing. It bottomed here, crossed over. That was God, that's a 40 tick run. Actually, sorry, that's a 70 tick run. If you got in off the lows here, let's see, 1228. Yeah, 60 tick run, that's $600, and that was an hour and 45 minutes if you ran that. So, just another video to help those who may be looking for better ways to find some income daily. Hope this helps. I am Iron Investor on Instagram and Stockfella on Twitter and StockTwit. Have a blessed day.